Since the last rebalance, the big news has really been the election of President Trump in the US and the market's reaction to that. There was some concern before the election that if he won, there would be a meaningful sell-off in risky assets like equities. What we actually saw was that in the US in particular, equities actually rallied. We think as a result of expectations that the new administration would work to accelerate growth, lower regulations, and lower taxation. I think for investors in 2017, the focus will still be on policy and politics for the most part. We'll see the new US administration come in and see what policies they actually begin to try and enact. In Europe, we have a variety of political events, notably, for instance, the French election, and there may be some volatility around that. On the financial side, obviously over the last few months, we've seen inflation begin to rise and inflation expectations begin to pick up. And so one of the questions for 2017 will be to what extent that continues and to what extent it prompts a change in monetary policy and a move away from the very loose policy that we've seen over the last 7 or 8 years. At Moneyfarm, we think that given the difficult environment we see around the world, it's important to continue to maintain a globally diversified portfolio with exposures to different asset classes and different geographies. Within that, however, we continue to see some interesting opportunities within the corporate bond space, even after a relatively strong year last year. And we see some more opportunities in emerging markets in both equities and in fixed income compared to where we were perhaps 6 or 8 months ago. When Moneyfarm rebalances, we run a series of trades through your portfolio. We buy some of the securities, we sell some others, and we work to ensure that your portfolio allocation and the risk that you're running within your portfolio is consistent with your long-term goals.